Gracias. If you have chance to visit Guadalajara, you can't miss the magical town Tequila because it is just a little over 1 hour away from Guadalajara, and it is the place to grow agave and produce the alcohol tequila. In order to visit Tequila, there are a few ways. First is to drive, but it only makes sense if one person in the group that doesn't drink and can be the driver for the whole trip. Second is to take a luxury train, which includes tequila tasting there. Also, you can watch a Mexican show and visit a distillery. The price is starting from $120. If you can't really drink, I don't think it's worth the price. The third option is to take a bus from Guadalajara to Tequila by yourself, and then you can join a local tour there for around $14. Each tour is quite short, so you're able to join like maybe 2 to 4 tours within a day. As a cheap, lazy non-drinker, I signed up a tour from Airbnb for $34. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did in my tour in case you're planning to go to Tequila, so you know what to expect. We first arrived at an artisan factory to learn about the process of making tequila, and everyone was distributed a little clay cup for tasting. Our tour guides gave us a brief introduction, and then we went to the underground cava. It's very photogenic, but at the same time, it had tons of visitors. We found a corner to sit down and started to do some tequila tasting. There were 5 different types for us to try.
Me lo chingo todo. Salud.
Then we had some time to take photos in the agave field. The agave is very sharp, so be careful. Before we left, we had chance to harvest one. For sure, I didn't pass the interview. After that, we went to another location to taste some agave beer. Personally, I like neither beer nor tequila, but this agave beer, I like it so much. It just tastes like lychee juice. So this young man like it too. In that area, we went into a cave. The tour guide said that people used to collect water there for producing tequila. I'm glad they don't do it anymore. Next is my favorite part, lunchtime. We went to a place called Candelitos El Güero. The giant jug of Candelito is their signature drink. It is a 7-liter drink, including 1 liter of tequila, lots of citric juice, soda, ice, and some salt. If 10 people share it, everyone needs to consume 100 milliliters of tequila. Do you think you can handle it? Well, anyways, the whole preparation process is entertaining.
Fue la seguridad para avanzar más rápido, ¿eh? Con vidrio sin vidrio. Con vidrio para que raspe. No, la verdad que sienta el cuerpo que va a recibir el día de hoy. Si no amarra aquí dicen que afloja, pero algo va a pasar. Arre, todo bien.
For me, I just had the Catalito in a little mug without any alcohol for 60 pesos.
Gracias.
Even though it's like a tourist restaurant, the food is not expensive. Street tacos were only 39 pesos. Besides, there were mariachi groups on the spot. After lunch, people in my tour became very drunk. We spent some free time in the central area of Tequila. Because it was a weekend, the area was packed and many vendors were selling more alcohol there. I decided to get a local drink and a bag of freshly made potato chips and just chill. Look at all these interesting vehicles. They were for the local tours I mentioned earlier. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this tour. Personally, I found that it is very convenient because I don't have to worry about the transportation, and the van actually is quite comfy. Imagine if your friend or your partner is drunk, what you're gonna do on your way back. My tour came with 2 tour guides. One can speak English. If you join the local tour, more likely they can only speak Spanish. Besides, we didn't spend any time in those souvenir shops, so our time was not wasted. From my observation, this kind of tour is only available from Friday to Sunday. So keep that in mind when you organize your trip, because some people like to travel on the weekday to avoid the crowd. If you are a more mature person and you have a lot of experience on tequila already, you might find that this kind of trip is a little bit childish. As I mentioned, in my trip, there were a lot of drunk kids, and the driver just turned the music very loud, which I didn't like it at all. I would suggest you to organize your private tour so it can fit your needs better. So this is my trip to Tequila, Jalisco. Please like, share and comment this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you next time. Bye!